Hey Mark, this is Steven again from CMP Auto here in Calgary, and this right here is our 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 with the Duramax diesel. Okay, so this is going to be very similar to the other truck I sent you earlier this morning. However, this is a 2023, of course, with diesel. So what I'll do in this video, just like the other one, I will give you a brief walk around tour, go over some key features, and hopefully you like it. So let's get started up front. Now, just like the other one, full LED lighting that includes daytime running lamps, headlamps, turn signals, and fog lamps down below. Also below, you still have your engine block heater, red recovery hooks, parking sensors along the front bumper, camera integrated into the center grille, front grille rather. This one also has 3M on the front end, so up the hood, up to about here, front fender, and front bumper. Now this one has 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Wranglers. The other one had 20s. So smaller wheel, but chunkier tire on this. Duramax turbo diesel, which is a 3-liter inline 6 turbo. You have mud flaps front and rear. You have side steps. This is a crew cab, same size box. I'll get back in the interior in a moment. But just like the other one, this has LED turn signals, camera below, puddle lamp below, heated mirrors, they're auto dimming, you have blind spot monitoring, and these are power folding as well. Also, these have 3M on the mirror caps. So you still get your integrated steps, dual exhaust, parking sensors, class 4 hitch receiver, 4 inset pin harnesses right there, spare tire below, your GMC Multi-Pro tailgate with backup camera located right there. That opens up, and same thing with the handle located right there. This one also has LED lighting on each side, power ports, sprayed in box liner, and your AT4 logo right there. Up above, you have a camera for your bed. You have a rear power sliding rear window, rear defrost, and LED brake lamps. Let's take a look at the interior. So this one has all-weather mats already installed. You have the same 60-40 split rear bench with your hidden compartments there and on that side. You also have a center armrest with cup holders. These seats back here are heated, USB-C, USB-A, rear AC vents, cup holders here as well. Your block heater cord and storage down below. Up front, you have memory seats, Bose audio, your power folding mirrors, perforated black, jet black leather with the Kalahari accents, both here, the stitching on the dashboard itself, as well as the door panels. All-weather mats again. Hopping behind the wheel, you have a digital gauge cluster straight ahead. This one has traffic sign recognition. So behind this bulkhead here, it will read traffic signs, speed limit signs rather, and it will display, when we turn down the fan, it will display the current speed limit, which is pretty neat. Above this digital display is another display. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but this does have a heads-up display with a bunch of toggle switches right here, which can adjust the height, the info that is displayed, as well as the brightness. You can also turn it off completely if you wish. You have a power tilt and telescoping wheel, automatic high beams. You have the same 4-wheel drive selector with automatic 4-wheel drive mode. You have your fog lamps, your automatic lights, electronic parking brake. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, heated. You have adaptive cruise control as well as front emergency braking and collision alerts. You have paddle shifters because this does have a 10-speed automatic that is running. Now, just out of curiosity, let's take a look at what the previous owner was averaging. Okay, so in the last 80 kilometers, right? And who knows how they were driving it, but in the last 80 kilometers, the best that was average is 10.1 liters per 100 kilometers. I don't know if that was city, highway, if they're flooring it, if they're driving it lightly, I have no idea. But there's some food for thought. To the right of that, you have your large infotainment screen with wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, built-in Alexa, built-in navigation, Google Assistant as well, and Sirius XM radio. Now, something else that that's just like the other truck. But up above, unlike the other truck, I have the digital rearview mirror. So it's a mirror, as you see, and at the flip of a switch on the bottom, there is a camera. And I mistakenly called the, when we were out back looking at the rear window, I mistakenly said it was a bed camera. It is not. It is the camera for the rear digital mirror. Why this would come in handy? Well, let's say you have some tall passengers back here, right, that are blocking your view, or maybe your truck is full, maybe you're moving, maybe you have a bunch of furniture back there and you can't see anything through your rearview mirror. This will always be unobstructed. Well, unless your bed is capped or completely full as well. Anywho, up above my head, I have a power sunroof with controls right here. I also have control for my rear sliding window, OnStar, and then below here, push button start, remote start, cooled seats, 3-level, heated seats, again with the option to do just the back or the back and bottom, dual zone climate control. I have lane keep assist, parking sensors. I can defeat the auto stop and stop start function, which I can also defeat. I have a power tailgate, hill descent control, because again, like the other AT4, this is equipped with that, skid plates, slightly higher clearance, ground clearance, because it is lifted, and all-terrain tires. I also have a trailer brake controller, USB A and C, dual glove boxes, storage in there, and if I didn't mention it already, wireless charger. But yeah, that's this truck in a nutshell. Very similar to the other truck, except for the drivetrain. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.